If you're looking for an easy way to manage team collaboration in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how Folk CRM can streamline team communication, organization, and efficiency to make collaboration smoother than ever. First, if you're new to Folk CRM, this software is designed to help teams manage their relationships with clients, prospects, and partners in a way that feels personalized yet scalable. The best part? You can try Folk CRM completely free, and we've got some exclusive bonuses when you grab the trial from the link below. Now, let's dive into managing team collaboration in Folk CRM. The first thing to know is that Folk CRM allows for seamless team communication within the platform. You can create shared spaces for your team to work together, ensuring that everyone is aligned on customer interactions, notes, and follow-ups. This eliminates the need for separate tools or spreadsheets to keep track of conversations. It's all housed in one place for maximum efficiency. One powerful feature of Folk CRM for team collaboration is its ability to assign tasks and manage them in real time. You can assign tasks to specific team members, track progress, and get notifications when tasks are completed. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks and that everyone knows exactly what they need to focus on. With Folk CRM, you also get team-wide visibility into important client details. This means that no matter who is interacting with a client, they can instantly see the full history of communications, upcoming tasks, and relevant files. It's like giving your entire team a shared client dashboard that's always up to date. Another major benefit of Folk CRM for team collaboration is its ability to integrate with tools you're already using. Whether it's email, Slack, or Google Drive, Folk CRM pulls everything together. Your team won't have to jump between different software to stay on the same page. Let's talk about workflow automation. Folk CRM has powerful automation features that can help your team stay on track. From sending follow-up emails automatically to setting up reminders for important tasks, automation saves time and reduces the risk of human error. This is especially useful when multiple team members are handling different aspects of the same client relationship. One thing I love about Folk CRM is its flexibility. You can customize it to fit your team's needs, whether you have a small startup or a larger organization. You can set up custom fields, tags, and filters to organize your client information however you see fit. This means your team can work in a way that's intuitive and personalized to your business. To wrap up, if you're looking for a tool that makes managing team collaboration easier than ever, Folk CRM should definitely be on your radar. From task assignments and team visibility to automation and integrations, it's designed to help your team work smarter, not harder. And remember, if you want to give Folk CRM a try, use the exclusive link below for a free trial with additional bonuses. This offer is available for a limited time, so make sure to check it out before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.